friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the amazing benefit of taking pineapple juice while when we have coughing. Usually when we have coughing, we take cough syrup, but it takes more than a couple of weeks. Instead of taking cough syrup, if we take 2 full glasses of pineapple juice, then you will get rid of your coughing on 3 to 4 days. And also pineapple juice have contain bromelain which can combat infection and kills the bacteria. Thank you for giving your time and don't forget to subscribe.